And I'm a couple of minutes early, like maybe one or two, not very many. So I'm going to give people time just to hop on. Today we are going to be doing a DIY facial wipe. I am super excited to show you one of my favorite things to do. And I'm going to show you how to do it on today. So I'll give you some time to come in. We definitely want to continue to pray for Texas. That is my home state, and it is really bad out here, guys. It really is. And so please continue to pray for us here in Texas. We have been blessed that we do have our electricity and we do have water, but we know there are so many people that do not. So we want to continue to pray for them and do whatever that we can on our part. We can provide resources. We can't get out. We can't go anywhere. But what we can do from home, we are definitely wanting to do. So again, I am going to be showing you a really simple DIY how to make these wonderful facial wipes from home. And I think I'm going to go ahead and get started since it is 12 o'clock, and I do want to make sure that I am on time because some of you are going to be on your lunch breaks, such as myself. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And again, as always, anytime that you're preparing anything with your face and working with your face and just preparing something for other people or even yourself, you want to always make sure that your hands are clean. And so you can either wash them. Today I'm going to use this hand sanitizer since it's sitting right here at the counter. So I am going to use the hand sanitizer to get my hands nice and sanitized here. And I also, let me just kind of dry them a little bit. And I also am going to use gloves on today as well. And so for those of you that are just hopping on and joining us, welcome, welcome, welcome. And today I am showing you how to make a very simple facial wipe. So I know that a lot of times we buy our facial wipes from the store, right? But what exactly are in those facial wipes? Like, what is the ingredients? Are they all natural? Are they really good for us? So when you get to looking at that, looking at the ingredients, and also looking at how much you spend on buying facial wipes all of the time to remove your makeup or just to, wipe your face as a refresher, you spend money. It adds up. I know when we were buying facial wipes, it would be every bit of about $3 a pack, and you might get 30, 40 wipes. In our house, there are 3 ladies that live here, so they didn't last very long. All right, so hello. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining. Oh, Artheta, thank you so much for joining. So again, this is going to be very quick. I am just going to show you how to make a homemade facial wipe. So I've already sanitized my hands. I already have my gloves on. I'm ready to go. So I am going to show you what you need. So you can get a old t-shirt or towel, something that's very soft. This is a t-shirt that I cut up. And so I cut it into little squares like this. It's the size of like a facial wipe if you were to purchase facial wipes. So I have this, and I've cut up several of them here, as you can see. And I have a lot of oils and things that I'm going to put into this. So you can make it however you want to make it, but I'm going to show you how I do it. So I'm using cold water because cold water is good too. Now you can use room temperature, but I like cold water because when I'm wiping my face with the wipe, I love to feel the coolness of it. So this is going to be 2 cups of distilled water. So you want to use 2 cups of distilled water, and I have my bowl, and I'm going to put the water in. And then I also have some vitamin E. So I'm going to put a couple of drops of vitamin E. And I have some lavender. So I'm going to put a couple of drops of lavender. And this is an essential oil. So I'll put probably about 4 of lavender. So again, you can make this however you want to make it with some of your favorite oils. And I'm also going to use a lemon. This is like really refreshing, this lemon. I'll put about 3 drops of lemon. I'm going to use a little, I have some rose hip. So I'm going to put about 2 drops of the rose hip oil in. And I have some sesame seed oil. Y'all, all of these oils are so good for your face. I'll put about 3 of sesame seed oil. And I have one of our very favorites, this jojoba oil. And so all of these oils that I am using, they are 100% virgin. And so I'm going to probably put about 5 in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the jojoba oil. And I normally put some tea tree oil in here, but I do not have any today because our trucks is like ice and snow here in Texas. So, but you know what I'm going to do? I am going to use a little of our facial toner. Our facial toner, it has some tea tree oil in it, and it also has it has some witch hazel. So I'm just going to put just a tad bit in here. Okay, so we have that. And then I am going to put some of this virgin coconut oil as well. So again, and I've already melted it down, and I'm going to use a small teaspoon. And so I'll do about 2 teaspoons of this. Okay. All right. So now that I have everything in here that I'm going to use, I'm just going to stir it around, get it all mixed up. Super, super simple. Okay. And then I'm going to take my t-shirts that I cut up in these little squares, and I'm going to separate them, put them in this liquid that I have made. Y'all, this is amazing, and I really hope that you can try it. Hey, thank you so much for joining. So I am almost finished with showing you this really quick way to make some homemade facial wipes. So what I did was I just had an old t-shirt, super soft. I cut it up into these little squares, and then I mixed all of my oils and my distilled water. I'm going to get that soaked in like that. Now, my other jar I have, it is bigger than this. So I'm going to just use the small one, but you want to use an airtight jar as well. And so now that I have it all in here and I have it soaked in, so now I'm going to wring it out and I'm going to put them in like such. Okay. This is amazing. I wish y'all could smell it. It smells absolutely good. Hey, Cassie. Thank you so much for hopping on. I am showing how to make, and it smells good. Oh my God, I wish y'all could smell the lavender and the lemon. So now I've put them in the jar, and here they are. These are the wipes. And if you like, what you also can do is some of the excess, you can pour it in the jar. So of course, if you have a larger jar, it'll work a lot better, but you can pour like the excess on here, so you'll have liquid on there. Look how I'm doing that. Look how that looks. Really, really good and yummy. Actually, I think I'm going to put a little bit more in there. And if you really want a really great treat, what you'll do is just put it in the refrigerator. That's why I use this cold water. And so here you go. These are going to be your homemade facial wipes. You made it. It's all natural. It has whatever oils that you want to put in it. It's in a nice airtight jar. There you go. And again, we use all of some of my favorite oils. And so now I'm going to just take one out so you can see. And I'm just going to wipe my face with it. Y'all, look at this. Oh my gosh. This smells Absolutely amazing. It is amazing. It is refreshing, and it has all of the great oils that your skin needs. Oh my goodness. It is absolutely great. So, and now let me tell you, so I know you're probably thinking, okay, so now we have made these homemade facial wipes. How am I going to clean them? I'm glad you asked. So once you finish, you can get you just like a little mesh bag or a pillowcase. And once you finish using them, you just drop it in. You can put them all in at one time, close it up, and toss it in the washer and the dryer, and there you go. And you can reuse them, and you can do the process all over again. So I hope you enjoyed our DIY homemade facial wipes. Oh my God, y'all, my skin feels absolutely amazing. It is amazing. And all of these oils that I used are oils that we use even in our products. So if you have purchased our products before, you already know your skin is glowing and feeling fabulous. And you can add this to your beauty regimen, and it will be absolutely great. You can do it, again, you can do it as just removing makeup or just a refresher. So thank you so much for joining, and I will see you, I don't know, I'll see you later. But y'all continue to stay safe, continue to be warm, and we'll be popping in and out, showing some different tips and not really tricks, but some tips on how you can have some amazing skin. All right, thanks. Oh, thank you, Artheta. Talk to you guys later.